Welcome to my results page. In this page, I will try to offer you something unique. As a hair restoration patient myself, I understand that one of the most delicate issues in hair restoration surgery is the confidence the patient must feel that the result that he or she is witnessing on the results page are authentic, and this is how he or she will look in the future. This is why in my results page, I have included only very high resolution pictures, and for the first time probably, I'm offering high resolution, real-time videos of patients. What does this mean? It means that these videos are shot just with a smartphone, with the latest high-resolution camera. So when the patient comes at 9 or 12 months for re-examination, I'm showing through a cell phone with high-resolution camera how he used to look, and then I'm going next to the patient, I show the result. We have a very close-up and macro photography of the hairline and of the whole area. I comb the hair, I wet the hair, I'm showing the donor area, I'm showing the recipient area, and all this in real life situations under strong lights and even with wet hair. Most probably you will not see results like this in any other doctor. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want you to feel as confident as possible that the results that you're seeing are absolutely authentic. Because when you have confidence, you make right decision. Welcome to my page and enjoy.